Hi there, it's a baby boomer in Winnipeg, and today I thought I would try to get to my outdoor pizza oven, fire it up and get her working. It's been a tough winter here. We got the snow piled up here about 8 feet tall. But today I'm going to head over to my pizza oven, and you can just see the chimney over there. So I'm going to fire up the old snow blower, and hopefully we can make our way over there and have a pizza oven pizza tonight. And I have a trail to the Pizza Hut, pizza oven. There's my chimney. So I just got to shove a little bit of snow and I'll be all set to go. And I think we'll set up the camera in that window there on the left side of the house so the camera doesn't get cold. Camera tends to turn off when it gets cold. Nice snowbank, eh? Yeah. I snow blew a path, shoveling my way in. And we now have a path around the pizza oven, both sides. Looks a little bit snowy, but we're going to start a fire, get her going. Well, we did get a fire started. One of the things I noticed, because I have a tin roof, is I had to make sure I got all the ice out of here. You can see it even down here. It's just melting because of the heat, but all that falls in the fire and it puts the fire out. But I think we're in good shape right now. So just keep stoking it and go get the pizzas ready, and we're making apple crisp. So we'll get that ready. So here's our apple brown Betty, it's going to be called. So we got apples in this small ceramic dish here. And then flour, brown sugar, and butter goes on top. And we're going to heat that up later on. Right. So tonight I'm using these crispy crust Pillsbury pizzas. And I broke it in half because my stove works better that way. And then I put some pepperoni, salami, a little bit of cheese. I'm going to take them outside, and when the time is right, put them in the fire and cook them. Ah, the backyard barbecue. Backyard pizza oven. Well, let's see how it's doing inside. Okay, we got a nice fire burning. I'm looking at the temperature in here. It says 375 over on the side. Oh, isn't that a lovely fire? Man, I miss that in the winter. Just beautiful. So just to show you how well it worked outside, we're doing one in the oven now, because the ones outside, they cooked on the bottom. Oh, I can't turn it over. The bottom cooks really, the bottom actually cooks or gets burnt, and because they're frozen, it's still kind of not thawed out inside here. So, not the best outside. Okay, we're coming out to check on the brown Betty. See how that's doing. Oh, we got a good flame there. Oh, it looks all right. It's been in there about 10 minutes. Let's just take a close look at that. I think it's okay. It's dark out, so we're going after the brown Betty now. Oh, it's never dark in there. Wow. Yeah. Well, looks okay. Heading home. We're trying the apple brown Betty here. That's it here. Thumbs up here. Thanks for watching a baby boomer in Winnipeg.